Good afternoon, friends. In this video, I am going to explain about NHPC, National Hydropower Corporation, a mini Ratna company. It has released its notification about the recruitment of engineers. For civil engineering, there are 60 jobs for civil engineering, and for mechanical and triple E 110. I think 110. One total vacancies are 175 here. You can observe that, and the application starts on here observe 1/9/21 10 a.m. and the closing date is 39 11:55 p.m. and application fee is 250 rupees. Here I mark that. And next, this paper is consists of total 200 marks. From that, 140 is our core. Or you are belong to civil engineering or mechanical engineering or triple E. Total 140 questions are mainly come from our core subject only. 140 questions. And the next thing is total syllabus of civil engineering. Core subject means the total subjects are strength of materials or fluid mechanics. All these subjects are involved in this exam. From this, a total of 140 questions are come, and the rest of 60 questions are from English, reasoning, general studies means GK questions, and the current affairs. Current affairs is more than enough, and some general knowledge is needed. Reasoning, you know that most of the students has prepared for the GATE or any SSC, JEE, any competitive exams. Any competitive exams you take English and reasoning. English and reasoning is must and should. If you take a state government exams, general studies, comparing by these subjects, this general studies plays a huge and important role because it consists of 100 above marks. For PSUs, English, reasoning, I think these two subjects are more than enough. By this basic knowledge, you can score out of 60 40 easily. If he or she has a good knowledge about GK and reasoning, GK and English, they can score greater than 40. So this is all about the syllabus. The next step is this exam has 3 hours of time. 180 questions. 200 questions. 180 minutes. Each question gets less than 1 minute. So each question gets less than 1 minute. And negative marking is negative marking 0.25. Negative marking is 0.25. Each question awarded 1 mark for right answer. Wrong answer negative marks 0.25. Not attempt 0. So the important topics in our core is geotechnical, FM, SM, RCC. These are the first important. More than 40 questions are come from these 4 subjects only. After that, transportation engineering, surveying, more than 50, not 40, more than 50 questions are drop here only. And the next 5, 6, 7, 8 transportation engineering, environmental engineering, survey, irrigation engineering, hydrology. Rest of the 35 to 40 questions are fall in this zone, and still CPM per are 20-25 questions are from this. So we have to focus mainly on these subjects only. Then you can score more than 90, more than 90. This 90 plus this 40, sorry, not 40, 6, 40, you can score up to 130. For general students it has to be than uh, more than 150 for general students. So you have to do work some more comparing to the EWS. EWS also not a good cutoff. EWS also have some if you OBC get to 5 marks cutoff, they will have more than that. OC qualification, if EWS and OC both are same cutoff almost. But OBC, NCL, they have some. If the one out of 200 they have 150, but the OC has 170. Comparison is greater than 2 marks, 20 marks is there. This is the syllabus, the negative markings, and the application fee is 200 rupees, 250 rupees, and the extra charges will add. The total fee is 320 or 300 rupees. Net charges all this. These are the subjects. You can follow Adda 247 in that app. One sir is taking only for exclusively civil engineering students questions, which recently or the past previous years questions has been he want to give freely. He will take the classes. If you go and follow Adda 247, then you can get timings. He will tell you the timings in YouTube, then you can follow him. This is the general information about the recruitment on the syllabus and the important subjects and application date, fee. I think these inputs are more than enough. If you want any suggestions, if you want any support, you can comment below. I will try to give sufficient support from my side and some other YouTube channels which will you guide very properly. If you want to prepare questions, you can follow Adda 247. If you don't want to follow the YouTube channels, you can comment below. I will suggest you which questions will be beneficial for the exam and which questions are enough to prepare exam. Thank you friends, thank you one and all. If there are any mistakes, you have to excuse me because I am new for making videos and upload. This information is very useful for the students who are in dilemma to participate in exams or to practice or to prepare, how to start and how to know where the concepts available, where the questions available. For them this is very helpful. I am also preparing. Previously I did for HPCL, but unfortunately due to my health problems I was not attend to that examination. If I will try to write an HPC, then I will discuss with you. HPCL exam paper I will discuss with you. Thank you friends, thank you.